Welcome to the channel. It is Thursday, October 20th. Back at the shop. Got a lot of things going on tonight. We hit the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for all of you who subscribed. Bit of dilemma. I can only see about 250 of the 1,000 subscribers. So to give everybody a fair shot, if you want to have a chance to win the t-shirt, I'm going to need you to leave a comment with your username in it, so I can get everybody in there that wants to be in there. I did not know this, but if you have your account set to private, when you subscribe, they don't see who it is. If you have your account set to public, I get a notification every new subscriber says their username. So if you want to get into the t-shirt drawing, drop a comment with your username in. Probably in the next video or two, we will be giving that away for sure. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the content. Hit that thumbs up for us. If you got something you want to see, drop us a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's car in the lower right-hand corner. We got a lot of ins and outs going on tonight, trying to get more detailed into some stuff for you. Some of you guys been asking for. We definitely have some ideas for some content. We're going to show you how we set the shock and the spring on a spring smasher and how we arrive at them numbers. That's going to be coming up in the next couple weeks. Getting the old girl freshened up. Hopefully next week we will be putting a deck in it and starting on the body. Stay tuned. Lots more to come.
Hey, let me get a shorter bowl.
You gonna have this nose on tonight?
No.
Why not?
Toss. That'd be last day.
Yeah, I didn't even know you was up there. Seen my stepdad yesterday morning at the gas station.
Yeah, Sharpie? Yeah, right here.
He was telling me about it. He said he works on the race car with you, so that's gotta be Dave. So we had a problem with this brace bending a lot, so we're stiffening it up. Taking shocks apart. He's gonna get them serviced. Obviously that one has a problem. Oh, good job.
Oh, you had to turn the camera on. You're right. Thanks, Steve.
You're about to get it.
No, there's still a little bit more in that. I think it's a 16-inch spring.
What are you doing? Where you been hiding at, huh? Where you been hiding at? Taking apart shocks. So this is what you got to do to take spring off shock on certain shocks.
Have that back. Alright, next.
Steve ordered another car.
Did you really?
Yep, gonna have two.
Damn. Where's he gonna keep the second one at? His place?
I don't know.
This might get a little wild. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, that might be good.
Huh?
I thought we were gonna bottom
the machine out.
ram out.
For
It's not too bad. I'll go up a little bit, but not too much.
where you get all the tension off of it.
Get that out of the way. I'll reset that this go around.
Do what?
We're gonna have to reset that this go around. Shit's filthy.
It's kind of hard to get in there and clean that.
Take it apart every week.
You used to do that?
No. Yeah, you could. I wouldn't. Alright, last one.
So this is the rear end we tore up at Fayette County, Brownstown at Summer Nationals race when the lift bar broke. We are going to update the bird cages on it and put a new brake caliper on it, and it is going back in the car. Zozo, Ava, get over here.
time in it, but that right there is pretty close.
Got the big gun out, huh?
I had to loosen everything up. That's why I'm really tapping on.
Smells like paint in here.
Tighten this one.
Hold on. That's
Yeah.
dude, I mean, he is about flipping the back. God, he's got the engine cover on the back ramp when he's coming down. I mean, that's got to make an ass puckering moment in a skidster.
Maybe I should go out there and check the serial number on it and see if it's the one that was stolen this morning out of Dupo.
No, they've
Dude, I was
had.
going to ask you about something in Dupo. I can't remember what it was. You go to that jumper?
No, I was off.
All right, we just need to double check it when we get a Heim on there. You know, in the car.
Yeah.
You need to check that one when you change these. And we'll write that
We'll get the
two
measurements,
measurements, same way we just did this one.
Yeah, I think we did from the, I forgot how he did it, but we did.
Just do the center of the Heim. Because you can't go off the plate because the plate's in a different spot.
Difference, right.
That's how we used to do it on. Why does it look like? I think you got that on backwards, dude.
No, I don't. Do it?
Well, yeah, because one side's got a like no chamfer in it, and then that's got a, like a cutout for the bearing. Yeah, one of those sides is flipped over.
I must have just did it there because I dropped it over here.
Well, look at that other one.
Here, I'll tell you real quick if I did it backwards right here. That's the way it was, dude.
You got the back side in the right spot, but the front side of the bracket is flipped around. See,
See how you got a gap there?
Right?
not a gap. They got a cutout for the
Yeah.
bearing.
I'll switch it.
No, you don't. I mean, you don't have to. It's fine the way it is. But see how that's all one.
Right.
You have this one flipped over. So it's the same. It's all the same. It's fine.
You want to flip it?
No, unless if you're anal about it, it don't matter.
Are you supervising, girl?
We used to shove the bird cage.
So they're picking up the cardboard bales that's set over there on the other side of my truck. I drive that forklift right up in there. Or not forklift, Bobcat.
We ought to find out if he has a stick of that.
Draining the oil.
Let's see.
Gonna pull the dry sump tank out, take it apart, check the baffles, make sure they're fine, clean it out. We got the fuel filter out. So I just took the fuel filter apart. Forgot to hit the record button, but this is all the dirt that come out of it. Definitely needed to be done.
You can show me doing something.
You're supervising.
How's work been going?
Oh, it's a mess.
From police officer to fire chief.
Do it all.
Hey, Daryn, who ever went drop fishing without them?
We got a big going next November.
Hey, Bring me a hammer.
Steel or
Rainy.
Probably a dead blow or brass. Never mind. So this is the bottom half of the dry sump tank. This baffle to keep it from...
Did you index it?
Huh?
Just put a line on it?
No, I did not. So the oil comes in these two, goes through the Oberg, comes out these two ports, swirls around, goes over the top of that, falls back down in the bottom, and that keeps it from foaming. Definitely needs to be cleaned out. There's our spare motor. It's ready to go in the car and race. The other one's still at Dargie's. So this last year was just a piece of aluminum strap, and just under normal racing conditions, this would always get bent down, bowing it out, and we would forever straighten it. So we decided to do this and see how it works out. Probably going to put one right here too, like that. It's coming along. You can come help us hang body next week, Bill?
What's that?
You can come help us hang a body next week?
You know what? If I'm capable, I'll be here. Hey.
She's ready to go. She's going to have you all wrapped up.
I know.
So this is all our shocks. Obviously, this one needs a lot of attention. But he is meeting Nick with Penske this weekend, and they're going to go through them all and rebuild them. So they'll be fresh and ready to go next week. Of course, we won't be racing for probably 4 or 5 months.
Well, we said Tuesday nights next time?
Yeah, Tuesday night. Hopefully we got the deck, start hanging the body. This is a lot of the parts we took off the car. And we freshened it up, but they will be good for spares in the event we need them at the racetrack. Thanks for watching. That's going to do it for tonight, and we will see you back next week.